Hello and welcome back to another vlog of a week in my life. I just started back going to school again. This is my last semester of college, hopefully, if all things go according to plan. Going to school in New York. I live in Brooklyn, but I go to FIT and I study advertising and marketing with the minor in sustainability and ethics, which I really love. This semester I did a lot better making sure my schedule was conducive for me and my mental health to like be able to both work and go to school. So I have it like spaced out a lot more. I'm taking a lot more night classes since I usually need like light to film and stuff like that. Where last semester I just like, I don't even know what I did last semester, but it was a really stupid scheduling for me. This semester seems like it's gonna be a lot better overall already. Today is Monday and I just have one night class, which is great. And then I have therapy at 4:45 and then I'll go from therapy to class and then I'll come home. Yeah, so I'm gonna film a video separate from this right now while I have some good lighting. And so I'm about to leave for therapy. Please excuse the mess in here. I just am wearing, this needs to be tucked in more. Cardigan with these new jeans I bought and my black heeled boots for class and these earrings from Wolf Circus, and this belt is from Young Frank. It's like a vegan leather belt they sent to me. Yeah, pretty chill. It's actually really nice out today, so I'm excited. Just got home from class. It's 10 o'clock and my professor let us out so late. Eyes clean. We ordered food because we were both really hungry. It's your birthday, it's your birthday, you are the best boyfriend ever. I'm really tired. Tomorrow's Tyler's birthday, so I have to wake up early to surprise him with delicious dessert donut, vegan donuts from Dunwell Donuts. He's in the other room, that's why I'm whispering. But I think I'm gonna finish off just the finishing touches of the video in the morning and go to sleep right now because I'm really tired. I have school at 2 tomorrow, but I'll probably do some festivities with him in the morning and then we might go bowling tomorrow night, so that will be fun. Happy birthday!
Hi, Bilbo.
Are you a monkey? So it's Ty's birthday today. He's so excited. We already threw a party for him on Saturday, but today's his big day. And we're gonna go get brunch at my favorite spot because there's no other vegan spots around. Full are we?
Dying full.
It's so full. Alright, so we just went to brunch and then walked around the neighborhood a little bit. And now I have to go to class at 2. I have class until 2. from 10 to 10:30. I have 2 different classes. I have a media planning class and then a French 2 class that I'm really stressed about because I haven't taken a French course for like 5 years, so it's kind of hard, but I might leave that class early tonight because we're all gonna go bowling for Tyler's birthday, so I might play a little hooky and leave early. And in between my classes I have to go to B&H because I ordered a new camera battery and charger for this camera because something went wrong and the battery just like isn't working, and then I conveniently also lost my charger, so I'm gonna have to run to B&H, which is funny because the last time I did a week in my life vlog I also went to B&H. I have this new little fun shirt on, jeans I just thrifted, and my sneakers because I'm probably gonna have to walk a lot today, and then just my liner because it's like 50 degrees out, which is really nice. Good morning, everyone. It is 9:30. I woke up about 10 minutes ago. I usually don't like go out on school nights, but we went bowling at the gutter, as you guys saw. It was really fun. I love bowling most of the time. 2, it's just fun to like get a good group of friends together and like play games or go bowling. But I'm really tired this morning. We got home around 12 and went to bed. Today I have class. Today's my long day. So I have class from 11 to 9, but one of my classes is actually canceled this week. It's only the 2nd week of school. Also, that's why I don't like have that much homework or anything, because everything's still like definitely getting into the swing of it. Classes today, which is nice, but they're spaced out, so I will have like a 4-hour gap to kind of like hang out. I'm not sure what I'll do. I'll probably go to a coffee shop and edit a video. So yeah, this morning I have, what do I even have? Market. All my classes are kind of the same. I think it's called creative strategies. And then tonight I have a fashion and sustainability merchandising class, which is kind of cool, which I like so far, or at least it's like my interesting day. The class that I'm missing today is economics of energy and fossil fuels, so it's really interesting just like learning all about fossil fuels and oil and other alternative sustainable energy methods, and it's really interesting so far. I've only had one class of it, but yeah, that's what my day looks like. Sorry I'm chatting so much right now. Tyler went surfing this morning, which is why he's not here, which is crazy. It's winter, so he literally wears like a, I don't even know, like the thickest wetsuit you can wear and go surfing in the freezing cold. But the weather is really sunny and nice out today as well, so I think my mood, I'm just like in a better mood today. Yeah, so I'm making coffee. I have to leave in about an hour, so. Our old French press broke, guys. It's so sad. On the other hand, got this new cup. I love it. It's so cute. Late, as I said. Okay. Had like 4 different outfits on, finally put this one on. Very grandma, and I think I really like it. What do you think? Put on my cheetah print like zip up jacket. I don't know if you guys have seen this yet, but I love just like a plain short sleeve sweater because it's kind of warmer today, so dressing in layers. Not wearing jeans today. Am I doing it for the vlog? Maybe. And then just my black boots that are they're vintage, but the brand is Cole Haan, for all of you guys who ask. What is she doing?
I'm caffeinated.
Hell yeah. Eating soy nuggets. Very long today. I just got home and it's like 10 p.m. So I stopped at the store for toilet paper and I got some Amy's chili, which is not the coolest dinner I've ever made for you guys. But Ty and I are just gonna catch up on Bachelor, which is my secret pleasure. And it was super rainy outside. I'll show you guys. So that's why I look like a wet dog, because I just trudged through the rain to go to the store and stuff. So yeah, but we're just gonna have a chill night. I'm gonna eat dinner and I'll probably pick back up with you guys tomorrow. It's rainy. Very gourmet. Yeah. Before we watched The Bachelor, we watched Tyler surfing this morning. Let's see it.
On this one.
Which one?
This guy right
That
here.
guy? Hold on, let me get it. Oh shit.
Shocked by Lee's leaving, so I'm hopeful that Colton can have an with Colton.
We're gonna take.
That's the automatic.
Oh my god, I know.
Not harder.
Okay, so it is the next morning. I am officially done with my school week, which is the best feeling ever. These school weeks go by so quickly for me. Like, I feel like I can't believe the week's already over, but then they're so long feeling while I'm actually doing them. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I think I'm gonna stop it here and just keep it like my actual college week. I have the next 4 days to work and clean my apartment, because you guys probably relate of just like having to get through school and stuff, and then once you have your downtime you start cleaning, because I'm so bad at cleaning throughout the week because it's just like not my top priority, especially when I'm getting home at like 9:30, 10 from class every night. Yeah, so today I'm gonna spend the day cleaning my apartment and getting my life back together and editing videos, maybe relaxing a little bit. Sounds kind of nice. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this and got like a good clip of what it's like to go to school here. If you guys have any question, as always, I'm happy to answer. I also quickly wanted to mention, well, one, there are just some parts that I didn't vlog, which I wish I had, because it shows like so much of the New York experience. I think like on Tuesday I had gone to the train to go to school, and right as I got there was a gas leak on the L train, so it was like completely shut down. So it's like I was on time for school, and then you run into something like that and then you're completely late. It just screws your whole schedule. So I had to like, luckily Ty's sister was at our apartment, so I ran back to our apartment and she gave me a ride to another train. So then I took the J train into school and was like 30 minutes late to class because of that. And like just those little things that are like so stressful and randomly happen that you have no control over, I think is really funny. And also like coming home from class in the pouring rain, and I never bring an umbrella anywhere, and just stuff like that, of like the little charming qualities of New York. I also wanted to end this, I know earlier in the vlog I talked about going to therapy. That's something that I recently started doing, and I just want to encourage you guys that if you're in school, you should definitely, especially if you're on your school's health insurance, because most schools require you to either have your own health insurance or sign up for theirs. But I wanted to encourage you guys to check out your counseling center, check out your options, especially while you're in school, because I know it can be one of those things that is just like on the back burner. And it was, I am a senior, this is my last semester, and I just realized that I had these like amenities. I just realized I can get like acupuncture through my school. Like there's so many things that I never looked into, and I wish I had been going to therapy for the past 1.5 years, and instead I'm just now able to go for like the next 6 months or so via this insurance. So definitely just want to encourage you guys, if you're in school, to go check that out and like take care of these problems. If you feel the urge at all that you would like to go to therapy, and see like what your options are, because a lot of like student health insurances are really full coverage and you might be able to go to therapy for really cheap. And yeah, it's something that has really helped me, and especially like not having to pay like the prettiest penny for it is awesome. And I just wanted to let you guys know that as well, which I didn't mention earlier. Otherwise, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. If you guys like these videos, definitely let me know. I'll make more of them, and thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.